Being October, dear bats, you and your millions of airborne colleagues are once again clocking in for seasonal humiliation, trying unsuccessfully to be zen as you seethingly repeat, "This too shall pass." For 11 months of the year you're misunderstood or associated with disease, or only tolerated by people wielding stakes and reek of garlic breath. Then October hits, and suddenly you're Hollywood's favorite silhouette, the poster child for spooky, and splashed on the cover of prestigious magazines. People the world over hang little plastic likenesses of you on their porches beside malnourished skeletons and pumpkins that are so badly mangled they're actually begging to be soup. You try to keep your spirits high, but it's hard when you see your plastic cousins tortured by a motion sensor witch who cackles in their faces every 3 seconds. As the real deal, you seize the opportunity to swoop down and chat politely with humans about your redeeming features. You explain that you're the only mammal who can actually fly. Other mammals, like pandas, might be cute, but they're as aerodynamic as outdoor furniture. Your wings, you tell them, are made of the same bones as a human hand, except your fingers are 7 times longer and coated in what feels like parachute material. You explain that you can successfully chase and eat 1,000 mosquitoes an hour, while most humans are brought to tears by just one that's moved into their ear canal at midnight. You explain that you use echolocation, which basically means yelling jokes into the night and listening for your own heckles bounce back so you don't face-plant into trees. You also share that you pollinate fruit, disperse seeds and control insect populations, basically making you a flapping do-gooder who just happens to have a gothic aesthetic. But they don't care. They run screaming to the next house where someone rewards their confusion with a handful of Snickers bars. Ah yes, it's at this time of year you really have a bone to pick with the late Dracula. To that dude, the world was his nightclub, where every human was basically his version of hemoglobin on tap. He'd heard of vampire bats, decided to dress up as one, and consequently roped your whole species into his little bring-your-own-veins, liquid diet-only lifestyle. But there are over 1,400 species of bat in the world, and only 3 of them dabble in pathology as a food group. The rest of you prefer fruit, nectar, or insects, yet every Halloween you're treated like you've got a drinking problem. You know who else is misunderstood? The little bug-eyed voodoo doll from Madagascar, known as an eye. Consider watching that video next, and it'd mean the world to us if you subscribe to our new channel for more quirky uploads.